Hello everyone, this is Dutch Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to vlog 139. Today we have these nice 3 locks in front of you and the infamous hair grip that this has appeared in quite a few of my shorts, my opening locks. So I thought I'd have a look, following on from yesterday's fun with the wire, see if we can get a few locks open with these, or this, in fact not these. So I'll try the padlocks first, see if we can get into them, and then if we do I'll try the Euro. Still need to get to the pins there, I think. There we go. I'm quite getting onto the pins, I don't think. So we'll try the little ASEC. Might need a bigger tensioner. There's the ASEC. Now we have a UAP. Euro. See if we can finish the job. Nice clicks along the way. And there we go. 3 locks in around about a minute and a half, all with the infamous hair grip. That's it from me today. Hope everyone enjoyed that one. See you later.